Circuit breakers are the fourth layer in the AI production stack. A circuit breaker is a safety mechanism that stops the system from repeatedly trying something that is failing. The idea comes from electrical systems. If there is too much load or a fault, the breaker trips to prevent damage. Software systems use the same concept. Imagine your product depends on an AI model provider. Most of the time it works. But one day, the provider becomes slow or starts failing. Without a circuit breaker, your product might keep sending requests again and again. Users wait, queues pile up, costs increase, the entire system becomes unstable. A circuit breaker says, if this dependency is failing too often, stop calling it for a while. Show a fallback, retry later, protect the rest of the product. In a prototype, teams usually do not think about this. If the AI call fails, the demo fails. That is annoying, but not catastrophic. In production, repeated failures can cascade. One slow service can make the whole product slow. One failing provider can create thousands of retry attempts. One bad workflow can consume budget, overload infrastructure, and frustrate users. For AI products, this matters because the system often depends on model providers, vector databases, retrieval systems, file processors, and third-party APIs. Any of these can fail, any of these can become slow, any of these can return something unexpected. The PM question is not how exactly we implement the circuit breaker. The PM question is what the user experience should be when something fails. Should we show a partial result? Should we say the report will arrive later? Should we switch to a smaller model? Should we disable one feature temporarily while keeping the rest of the product working? Should we prevent a risky action until the system recovers? These are product choices. Circuit breakers are not just technical resilience, they are part of the user promise. They decide whether failure feels like a total breakdown or like a controlled limitation. Next, distributed tracing.